Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to hide apps from the app drawer and home screen on your Samsung One UI 8 version. So this is my Samsung device running the One UI 8 version. If you want to hide application without any third-party application, you can use the home screen settings. So tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the settings gear icon at the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and here you can find the option home app hide apps on home and app screen, so tap on it. Now select the application you want to hide from the home screen and app drawer. So here we select the Google Chrome, Facebook, Flipkart. Now tap on a done option at the bottom middle. Now go to home screen and open the app drawer. You can't find these three applications you hide on your device. Also you can't access it. If you want to access this app or use this app, you need to unhide it again. To unhide or find the hidden application on your One UI 8, again tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on hide apps on home and app screen. Now here you can see the list of hidden apps list. Just tap on the minus icon to remove it from the hidden list. So we tap the minus in the Flipkart, Facebook or Chrome, all three applications. Now tap on a done option. Now open the app drawer and at the end you can find all three unhide applications you unhide on your device. So quite easy to hide or unhide application on your Samsung One UI 8. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.